So for today, you're going to watch this video and follow along. You're going to need your Wit and Wisdom materials for this. So that's the purple circulatory book and your blue Wit and Wisdom journal.
Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to Wit and Wisdom in Sync. I'm Mrs. Webb. Let's get to work. For today's lesson, you will need your copy of the circulatory story, your Wit and Wisdom in Sync journal, and a pen or pencil. Pause the video now if you need to collect those materials. Okay, I have a fun task for you. I want you to jog in place for 1 minute and jot down what is happening in the following parts of your body: your heart, your lungs, and your red blood cells. Pause the video and get moving. Whew, that was a lot of work. Keep in mind what happened inside your body while you were jogging. We'll come back to that in a minute. Today, we're going to work to determine the essential meaning of the circulatory story. First, I will read aloud the final pages of the circulatory story. This last section of the text includes information about a healthy heart, but our goal is really to put together everything we've learned to find the essential meaning of the text. So let's get your book and open up to page 35, which starts out heart to heart. Follow along as I read, okay? I want you to concentrate on what important ideas we are learning about the heart and why it is important that we know this. Heart to heart. The last part of the circulatory system is the coronary circuit. It's the shortest circuit in the body, but it's important because it supplies the heart itself with blood. As blood leaves the left ventricles through the aorta, blood vessels called coronary arteries branch off the base of the aorta and bring blood to the heart cells. Without this supply, the heart cells couldn't survive. Coronary veins carry blood away from the heart. And then we see our little green friend giving the heart a present for all your hard work. Oh, shucks. All right, let's turn to page 36. Fighting plaque. Oh no, look at that sticky gunk on the walls of this coronary artery. It's plaque. No, not the kind that can build up on your teeth. The plaque in arteries is a fatty substance. An unhealthy diet, especially lots of fatty foods, can cause plaque to build up in people's arteries, which can lead to a clog in a coronary artery. Think of the pipes below your kitchen sink. If too much gunk builds up, water can't pass through the pipes. Then it's time to get the plunger. Oh, makes me sad. I really like French fries. All right, now I'm on page 37, under our little friend here kicking the soccer ball. Adults with lots of plaque in their coronary arteries are at risk of having a heart attack. Some of this nasty plaque may prevent blood from reaching heart cells. Without oxygen, these cells become damaged. When this happens, a doctor has to unclog that artery. Treating your heart well helps prevent heart trouble. 2 heart-smart ideas are to eat right and to exercise. This way, the heart can be buff and healthy. This advice is straight from the heart. Now I'm turning to page 38, the circulatory story. This is our conclusion, right? This is our last section that's really wrapping everything up. So you visited 3 kinds of blood vessels, hungry body cells, and the 4 chambers of the heart. Plus, you've seen breathtaking views of the lungs. If you'd like to go again, you'll have plenty of chances to catch a ride because the heart beats about 100,000 times per day. Blood circulates through the body over and over and over each day of your life. Many things must happen in just the right order to ensure that everything in this incredible body system works properly. So the next time you feel your heart beating, or think about your veins, or get a scrape, remember your trip through the circulatory story. You must admit, it sure is great to circulate. And then our little green friend is saying, around and around thousands of times each day, red blood cells must get really, really dizzy. The end. So remember, our focusing question right now is what makes a great heart, literally. We're going to make some inferences about this. Good readers always use information in a text to make inferences about a topic. An inference is an idea that a reader figures out based on the details in a text. Remember when you jogged at the beginning of the lesson and you noticed your heart was beating faster? Maybe you made the inference that exercise makes your heart beat faster and work harder. So by adding more information, we can make even more inferences. The heart is a muscle, and using muscles makes them stronger. We know this. So what can we infer about the heart muscle in movement? Well, we can infer that when we move our bodies, it makes our heart beat harder and faster, which makes it grow stronger. So exercise makes our heart stronger. Let's try this in the text, okay? This is from page 13. Like most pumps, the heart can function with slightly leaky valves. With more serious valve problems, the valve doesn't close or stay closed properly. This lets blood flow back from the ventricle into the atrium. This makes the heart have to work harder, which could damage it. So what can we infer about a healthy heart from reading this page? I'm going to give you this sentence starter to help you make an inference. So, if we know serious valve problems cause the heart to work harder, then we can infer that a healthy heart has valves that close tight, right? We can figure that out based on the information in the text. It doesn't say that specifically, but we can infer that. Okay, so I want you to practice making inferences about a healthy heart now, completing each statement on handout 16A. The directions here say, read each statement and finish the inference about a healthy heart. Reread the pages in the circulatory story to help you. And you'll see it tells you specific pages to look for if you need help with that question. We've done the first one together, so I want you now to pause the video and complete the remaining 3 inferences. Thank you for thinking carefully about your healthy heart. It is so important that we understand how to keep our literal hearts healthy. Today, I want you to get some exercise with your family and explain to them how this helps their hearts get stronger. I'll see you next time.
All right, if you have a question, make sure you send me a message on Schoology. That is it for today. Bye.